Hi everyone, how are you doing? I hope you are great. My name is Marsh and I'm going to start this video. We are going to talk about this little device. It's called Arduino. With Arduino, we can have a lot of possibilities to do many things. It has a possibility to read many sensors. We also have the possibility to control any engines. But before we do a lot of funny things, we have to start. And I'm going to show you the first project that you can run on this device. So what do we have to do? First, we have to download the software to send commands to it. Second, we have to plug in computer. Third, we have to send one command to this little device. So let's start. Before we start to program our first program here in Arduino, I would like to show you guys how the Arduino works. As you can see, we have here 13 options. We have here 1, 2, 3 until 13. For now, I would like you to understand that we have 13 options here. So we can control 13 devices. Yeah, we can control a lot of more, but for now, understand that we have 13 options that we can control anything. For example, let's say that we want to control a light to turn on. We use one pin to control one light. Let's say that in our house we have 5 lights to control. We have to use 5 pins to control each one. We have 5 options here to control them. So in the next video, I'm going to show how to use these pins here. But for now, I want you to use the 13 option. The last one option here, there is a light here inside the main board, the Arduino board. We have here a light. This is the one that I want to show you how to control. Let's start.
Okay, we are here on PC and what we have to do now, we have to download the Arduino software. So in Google, let's write Arduino download. We are going to access arduino.cc, click here, and the first page is showing us the download page. Doesn't matter which version is going to show to you guys. Uh, Always download the last version from arduino.cc. Here I'm going to download it for Windows because my machine is a Windows PC. Here you just click just download. You can, and here you are going to have an option to download, and then you choose a directory on your PC to download it. I'm going to download here. Just click save, and we have to wait. Okay, it's done. We are going to open. You are going to choose I agree. Only check everything is good. Next, install. You can choose the install option. Install again. Install USB driver. It's completed. Let's choose close. And now let's open Arduino. And here it is. That is the Arduino software. And I'm going to explain how it works.
Now that a software is installed to the computer, we need to connect the device, the Arduino, to computer. So get the Arduino, get the USB cable, plug it, and then connected to the computer. Okay, software installed. Let's check if the device is connected to the Arduino. So we have to go to the Tools menu and Part. As you can see here, in my case, is the COM4. In your computer, it can show COM5, COM8, COM7, it doesn't matter. You have to pay attention here. We have to check this, okay? You are checked here, then it's okay. And then come back to the board menu and check if it is checked here. In my case, it's the Arduino Uno. So the Arduino is ready to get a new command. Let's start to send some command to it. Okay, now we have the software working and the device is connected to computer. Perfect. Okay, what we have to do? We have 13 pins here, okay? Next to the 13 pin, there is a light here. There is a LED that we can turn it on. This is what we are going to do right now. Here in Arduino software, we have two parts. One is the setup area. Here you put commands, or you will tell to the Arduino what we are going to do. We want to work with pin 13. So what we are going to do here? We are going to start with the command pin mode, and then it has two parameters. The first one is the number of pin we want to work. So if you are working with the 13, we are going to put 13. And the second parameter is the output parameter. We close, and then we put semicolon. Every command in Arduino has to end with this command. And in the loop area, here is the place where we put commands to stay in loop in Arduino. So here in the setup, we are telling to Arduino that we want to work with 13 pin. Here in the loop, we need to send the command. What's the command? Digital write. And it asks us which pin we want to write. 13. And there is two options, to turn on and to turn it off, the light. To turn on, it's right. We close, put semicolon, and you are ready to send command to Arduino. How do we do this? To send command to Arduino, we have to choose this option, upload. Click, look here, compiling, and it's done. Now, look at the Arduino. The Arduino has turned the light on. Look here. We are done. Our first program in Arduino is done. Amazing, doesn't it? And very, very easy. This is our first program. So you send a command to Arduino. Let's come back to the Arduino software. Here, pin mode. We are going to work with 13 output parameter. And what we want to do, we want the light turn on. To turn on, it's the command high. Simple, yeah? Okay, let me explain something to you guys. Look here, in pin mode, we have lowercase, pin is lowercase, mode, the first letter of mode is M uppercase. If we put here, this way is not going to work. So the correct way is to put pin mode, M uppercase. Here in digital write, the same thing. If we put this way, it's not going to work. We have to put W in uppercase. Okay? And here in parameters, we have output. If we put letter P, lowercase, is not going to work. We have to put uppercase. Okay? High is the same condition. If we put high, not going to work. Realize that the color has changed. We have to put high. This was our first video, very basic. If you liked this video, please click like. If you want to see new videos, click subscribe. And the most importantly, leave me a comment, say if you like it or not. This is important for me to produce the next videos. And finally, check out our preview of the next videos. See the light here? I'm going to make this on the next video. Light blink instead of just being lit. I hope you're enjoying this video. I see you next video. See you there.